How to change notification sound on Google Messages. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change notification sound on Google Messages. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before starting, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe option. So it is very easy, you just need to follow some steps. So in order to do that, you need to open the settings of your device, the main settings, and here you will be able to see the notifications. And here you need to go under and you will be able to see this notification sound option. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, I want you to tap on this notification sound. After tapping on it, you may just change the notification accordingly with the Scene 1 or Scene 2 because Google Messages is default app that we can use instead of the official messages app we have on your device. That means it can access your theme as well. So in order to change the notification sound according to the theme, you just need to tap on one of the theme. I have two right now, so I'm gonna change it accordingly. I'm gonna choose this one here, and for theme 2 I'm gonna choose coin. And from now on, whenever you receive notifications on any of the theme in your Google Messages, you will be able to know on which theme you receive notification on Google Maps. So in this way, you can change your notification sound on Google Maps by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.